What's up, YouTube? So today, G35 has a problem. Solution for it is on the way, but I have a failing water pump. So for those of you that do not know what the water pump does, what the water pump is, the water pump pretty much circulates the coolant to the engine. It pretty much cools everything down in the car. It's pretty much like the brain for like the coolant, pretty much, right? So mine is two pretty much big ways. Your waste pump, your water pump can go bad. It could be the O-ring from the water pump, or it could be the bearing fails on the water pump. You can start knowing if you have water pump failing or going bad on you by sometimes the coolant leak. You have coolant leak just dripping all over the floor pretty much, or it might be on the bottom of your car dripping, or like I said, from the O-ring or the bearing, you'll hear like a squealing, whistling noise coming from the front of the engine. So I already ordered a water pump from Z1 Motorsports. That is on the way, along with I also ordered the Aeromotive 340 LPH E85 fuel pump stealth. So I'm going to E85, baby. I have 600cc injectors. They came in the mail, I want to say yesterday. And you guys can't hear me, excuse me, it's pretty much raining cats and dogs right here where I'm at in North Carolina. But pretty much, as you can see, the bad water pump. Overheating when I'm idle, coolant's not circulating through. I do have AC blowing, but there it is right there. The car is just overheating. Alright, so like I said, I got the water pump coming in from Z1 Motorsports. Should be here. I express shipped it, so maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm gonna get that fixed up. I'm also gonna replace my valve cover. I have that here. It was just hot as hell yesterday morning when it came down to the water pump. I mean the valve cover changing. So I didn't do that yet, but like I said, big things on the way. Stay tuned for another video of me fixing the water pump on my G35 2008 Infiniti Sedan. Exhaust will be here also June 8th. So I'm super excited. A lot of videos, good content coming in June. Like I said, I'm going tune. I'm putting the Soho exhaust on there, the Soho wild pipe, so it's just gonna be crazy. But like I said, stay tuned. I should be dropping another video sometime either this weekend or later this week of me fixing up my failing / bad water pump. All right, don't forget, get down in the comment section, give me you guys thoughts, drop a like, drop a comment, definitely hit subscribe. Like I said, continue watching me on my journey. Give me you guys thoughts. Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. Let me know, just let me know your thoughts and what you guys want me to bring to the channel. All right, it's content only. So like I said, get down in the comment section, let me know your thoughts, the good, the bad, the ugly, and let's get this channel popping, baby. All right, go ahead and hit that subscribe, baby.